Hi, in this video we'll see how to get your API keys and tokens in order to work with a Trello API. So let's just search for Trello API keys. And the first link here is the one we actually have it in, but the real URL is trello.com/powerup/admin. So in here, you can make your keys. You can also make them for Power-Ups, but if you just want to use the API, we will do it here. So what I'm about to do is, of course, something you shouldn't share with anyone. I will have deleted this key after you've seen this video, so you can't really use any of the things I show you here. But just in case, don't share anything of this. So let's call it a test key. My first key. The workspace it should work on. And we don't need an iframe or anything. That's only if you're building Power-Ups. So create one. Let's generate a new API key. And we now have an API key. Let's put that into Notepad for later on. So now we have the API key. Now we need the token because the API key is only one thing. The other one is the token because we need both in order to authenticate. So next to the API key, we have this token button, and it will open up. And if you're not logged in, it will ask for a login to Trello. And the token is associated with that user. So whenever you use that, it will be as if that user did the work. So it will go down and ask for what it have access to and so on. We will say allow, and we will get an ID. And again, as it says here, you should never ever show this to anyone else. Again, feel free to look at this. It will be deleted once we see this. So we have the token. And now we have everything we need in order to work with the Trello API.